me. Nanny. Fun.
What is this?
I'm Grapes.
Can you come back to my basket?
I would like to introduce my friends to you.
Who are they?
Hey, guys. Please come out to my madam. This is apple. Apples are an incredibly nutritious fruit that offers multiple health benefits. They are rich in fiber and antioxidants. Eating them is linked to a lower risk of many chronic conditions, including diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Apples may also promote weight loss and improve gut and brain health.
Hi, it's nice to meet you, madam.
Nice to meet you, dearest. You're good fruit for my family. Can you come back to my basket?
Okay, this is my pleasure.
This is orange. Orange is in addition to vitamin C, oranges have other nutrients that keep your body healthy. The fiber in oranges can keep blood sugar levels in check and reduce high cholesterol to prevent cardiovascular disease. Oranges contain approximately 55 milligrams of calcium, or 6% of your daily requirement.
You're so fantastic, Orange. Can you come to my basket?
Okay. This is my pleasure.
This is banana.
Hi, it's nice to meet you, madam.
Banana, how about your nutritional benefits?
Bananas contain fiber, potassium, folate, and antioxidants, such as vitamin C. All of these support heart health.
Banana, you're also great. I can make a banana smoothie.
It will be yummy and health.
Banana, can you come to my basket and go home with me?
Yes, sure.
Grapes. How about you?
Grapes are a great source of nutrients and antioxidants that can help protect against chronic diseases, like cancer and heart disease. They also support blood sugar regulation, eye health, bone health, and combat inflammation and harmful bacteria. Grapes contain melatonin for improved sleep quality, while grape juice and red wine in moderation can also provide health benefits. Whole grapes are the best option for maximizing fiber and antioxidant intake.
You are a true superfood with multiple health benefits. Grapes, can you come to my basket and go home with me?
Yes. This is my pleasure.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get new video updates. See you in the next video.